So, this is the continue of our session. So, dyan po siya magsusulat sa kanyang whiteboard. Then, we will start na po. Because the time is already done. So, Jaina, ready ka na?
Apo.
Okay, let's start. From number 1, you need spell the word twilight. Twilight. And for the number 2, spell the word dangerous. Number 3. 3 na? So for the number 3, treacherous. Treacherous. And for the number 4, conquered. Spell the word conquered. Conquered. For the number 5, you need to spell the word humiliate. Tapos na?
Akma.
For the number 6, spell the word destination. Destination. For the number 7, spell the word amazement. For the number 8, spell the word invisibility. Invisibility. And for the number 9, spell the word attained. Attained. For the number 10, spell the word snatch. Number 11, quarrel. Quarrel. Spell the word quarrel. And for the number 12, fashion. 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 You should know the word fashion. Fashion. For the number 13, wine sudden. Sudden. For the number 14, spell the word untimely. Untimely. Then for the 15, reluctantly. Reluctantly. Oh. For the 16, spell the word cunning. And for 17, existence.
No.
Existence. Existence.
Six.
Existence. 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 And for the 18, arrogant. Spell the word arrogant. Feel ko marami makukuha si Gwyneth China. Are you done?
Opo.
Let's move to number 19. Spell the word drone. Droned. 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 And for the 20, for the last, combative. Should also know the combative word. Are you done? Finalize mo na yung answer mo. Tignan mo kung may mga mali ka na.
Siguro wala.
Okay. Let's check. Check natin kung may tama ba si Miss Gwyneth.
Nag-review ako mabuti.
Nag-review daw siya mabuti. Wow, very good. Tingnan niyo siya. Look. Yung mga sinulat niya. So, check na natin. Let's check the Twilight.
Tama ko. Ay.
Tama ba yung sinulat niya?
Twilight.
Tama, no?
Twilight.
Nakita yan. Twilight yan. Check, ne?
Okay.
Ano mag-check?
Like that.
Twilight. Oh my gosh, wala nang sulat.
Okay. Ba't sa akin na yun?
Wala nang sulat, ma'am.
Okay lang.
Okay na.
Ayun pa. Summer.
So, Twilight. Check niyo yung Twilight. Dangerous, tama. Precarious, tama. Conquered, tama. Humiliate, tama. Destination, tama. Amazement, tama. Invisibility, tama. Attained, tama. Galing niya. Snatch, tama. Oh, very good si mama. Quarrel, tama. Kasi may fashion. Mali. Mali yung fashion niya. Wine sudden, tama. Untimely, tama. Reluctantly, tama. Oh, dami niya nakuha. Cunning, tama. Existence, tama. Arrogant, tama. Drone, tama. Combative, tama. So, you got 19 over 20. Where should we put the 20 over? 19. Wala, hindi makita, babe.